douchebag. Don't be a douchebag. Don't let him back over. Don't be a douchebag. Come on, cross. There you go. Don't be a. Oh, jeez. This is a microcosm of what always happens on this highway. The truck gets stuck in the left lane, about to go uphill. They don't know the territory that well. Now, what's this guy from Jersey gonna do? What? What a douchebag! Yeah, this guy obviously overfilled his blinker fluid. No turn on red. What a great example you set for the rest of us.
Alright, here we go. Guys insecure about their girlfriends.
Wow.
Hey, Billy Brostash. I was going on a run.
Vacation in fucking September. And fuck you and your fucking equinoxes and your fucking solstices.
Last
you
second
can still
exit.
fucking put a boat in the goddamn.
Careful! Wow, someone got confused. This has only been up for, what, 2 days? Oh, wow!
One of the reasons that they're doing this right now, they want to get ahead of the game. Like the reports are going to say we lost this much.
Dual turn fail because Prius.
Analyzes each one and spotlights the top candidates so you never miss a great match. ZipRecruiter is so effective that 4 out of 5 employers who post on Zip candidate through the site within the first day.
Douchebag, that minivan, I knew it.
I was walking down the street and I'm looking at this person. They had "Do What You Love"
What? No.
on their t-shirt.
Go! What the fuck?
I just want to be like, you bought that?
You actually let him in. They're like, better stay green.
Just tell me, like, I don't know. There was a house fire.
And you get to
somebody
go.
gave you a free t-shirt, and that's what the fuck it was. Not that I want your house to burn.
Woohoo, one car. Wow, and your exit's right there. I knew I'd get you on camera. You couldn't decide whether you wanted to exit here or not? Whoa! I think it was just merging her. No. Whoa. What the fuck? What? Wow.
Marriage, if he keeps this crap up. Because you probably only got 1 or 2 more of these things in you, and you're going to be done.
Well, hey, I was...
You're going to...
I stopped first and I was center right.
Sane human being.
And she's like, "Oh, Mom, you have a terrible Uber rating." So let's continue. Uber passengers.
Wait, that guy just ran the red light
one
there.
time the company, after they've dropped you off, clean it up themselves. And if you don't tip, which I would hope you would, you're
That red truck, too.
The court can offer you no information about why you were deactivated.
Oh,
or
why?
any alternate outcome, even though I was left on. Twice. Try making YouTube videos.
Keep your wheels turned straight.
And just as a little bit of a side note, if you can take 5 minutes to do the
Red light
survey
runner.
below, it would really...
Pedestrians this time.
To land, and I was telling the driver, he goes, how cool was that?
Oh, that guy.
It was fucking unbelievable. It was unbelievable.
Red light runner. Nissan drivers. BMW. You were in the wrong lane.
Just talking and making this video is such a struggle.
Wow.
I don't know if this video
That is bad. Left turn from the center
one
lane.
of my ways.
Does that qualify as last second? I think so. Let's see what we got here. That's not a lane, that's the shoulder. That's... Wow. And that's the last second exit there. Oh, come on, just wait until the end of the tunnel. This is why this is kind of not allowed in here. Now you... Oh, yeah, you cut off a Mercedes, but at least you used your blinker this time. Good job. That one is up there is bad. Why are you merging left? I was going around you. Right up there. Okay. Any reason why you couldn't be in the right lane all along? Straight from right turn lane. Wow. It's not even, can't even pass here. Yeah, that guy ran a red light too. Bad. What? The guy that... Wow. The mini pooper. And he's just doing that to not have to wait at the red light. Look at that. Nope. Nope. No, 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 no. And here's the thing. A lot of people might come up with the excuse that people need the next exit. I need it too, and I had enough room to move over. Ha! Don't tell me BMW is going to cut in the exit line. Oh no. The X5. Or as I like to call it, the X5. Right turn on red only from the right lane only. And if it's clear for them, how come the guy in the right lane's not going? Hold on, someone's using the merge lane to cut cheat traffic in front of me. I got another guy. What the? And let me guess, the Scroobaroo, the blue one, he's doing that too. What's up with people? Okay, never mind. Go on. What's up? Oh, right turn from the left lane up there. Red light. Oh, that's really bad. I was here first. You know, if a train comes, he's going to have to go up to the crossroads, I guess. It's fitting that the song came up when I had to stop here. Really? CNG's 1 hour heating and refrigerating. Got it.
I think it's gonna really fucking rain. I bought a raincoat just for this occasion.
Red light runner.
Because I don't...
Red light runner.
Really bad news. The Baltimore house of Elijah Cummings was robbed. Too bad.
What?
Here's the
What
thing.
are you
The burglary
doing?
happened early Saturday morning, right before Trump
I could have
started
made the
his
light if you didn't cut me
week
off.
of racist attacks against the congressman.
We were no advertising. None whatsoever. So
Wait,
this
what?
is amazing. This is definitely one of those situations where
That guy's in the left turn lane.
But the government is not doing this in the interest of passengers or drivers. They're doing it in favor of the taxi limousine companies.
It's not much. It's only $60.55.
$60 on a charge that's under 100?
Yeah, so
In favorable ordinance, and you got caught doing it. Now, here's the thing. You've been caught doing this before, kind of. I mean, when I was at the
How's that?
85 rally, where a bunch of...
Yeah, you're kind of suicidal, aren't you? Oh, wow. Hey, teacher, leave them kids alone. Of course. Red light runner. What? Really? I hope they got on camera.
From him that it was
anonymous.
very effective, and that when you combine it with the
Red light runner, that white car. Nope. What the hell was that? Red light runner. Oh, that's bad. Ha ha ha, you're in the wrong lane today. Hurry up, because I gotta turn.
1 million temp workers and 1 million contract firm workers will have expanded rights and protections according to the campaign. The 37-year-old mayor of South Bend, Indiana, a rising star of the Democratic Party, wrote that his plan will address the stagnant wages that American workers have faced since the 1980s, even as prosperity has.
Look what he's doing.
risen. And by the way,
He's just sitting in the middle
I
of
do
the
agree
street.
with that just a little bit.
Now I'm in the
I
middle of
do
the
believe
intersection
in
because of this
correct
asshole.
itself, and I don't believe in 15 an hour. I think just a flat 15 an hour is kind of a bogus idea. But,
What
you know,
the?
it
Don't
is
tell
a
me you're getting on
problem
91.
that example,
Wow.
5%,
God, you're a moron. I'm going to make a left turn at the very next light. Let's be in the right lane
That's
for
a
it.
problem.
Ignore the red hand. Ignore the red hand. Pedestrians. Less I can exit another one. Red light runner. Really?
How am I gonna do that scene? How many more scenes are there? Freaking the fuck out. This mustache keeps getting in my food.
That white car.
But if I'm
See if
just
that
working,
shows up.
that's fine.
Or the white
I don't know
truck.
what it is. It's weird.
Pickup. F-150. Pickup.
So,
Last time we ever met. No left turn. There's like no room to move, maneuver, or anywhere. Yeah, that's because accurate. Really? Red light runner from the non-turning lane. Jeez. You had forever to move into the right lane. Jeez. You're out of touch, man.
It will be a mistake. I believe people from like McDonald's and Google were also there.
Hello?
So here's what I see happening.
They just
if
blew
I
right
am
through the stop
correct.
sign. No trucks in the left lane today in the rain. We're singing in the rain and there's trucks in the left lane. And I'm exiting here. This is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Please like it and hit that subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos from me. Bye.